Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove these hubs. They're 4x4 lockout hubs, and this is a 97 f250 4x4 with a diesel manual transmission. And what was happening, I was driving down the road and one of these wheels was actually keeping the drive shaft turned when it's turned to unlock. So I went up to call around, and O'Reilly's, because these are supposed to be a pretty good brand with a lifetime warranty, stainless steel, extremely heavy, which is a good thing, I guess. And it comes with looks like everything you need. I just did the other side and it did well. So first thing you want to do is remove all these Allens. I was going to get worn, but nobody had them in stock. All right, so you pull that off, looks like that, and set that aside. Then you have a locking ring around here. So what you do is get yourself like a pick and a little flat blade screwdriver. I don't know if y'all can see this right now. You just kind of get up under there, put the flat blade under there. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. And you got that out. Alright, now this, the way I pick them out is I actually get some larger snap ring pliers that spread, put them right in here, hold it, spread it, just kind of arc it around, and it pulls right out. And you want to leave this spring in there. It doesn't come with a new one. So open these up. Okay, so what you gotta do with these is it comes pre-assembled here, so you gotta take these two Allens out. Okay, pull those two. Then you pull this apart. Looks like that. So it's like that. And I'm gonna clean up all this, and I'm gonna actually re-grease everything in here. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, so I got some good high temp grease in there. So do that, spin it a little bit. We got it in enough where we can actually get the ring in there. So you spread it like this. Yeah, put it in there like that. Push it around, just work it around. Okay, similar to that. This is the outer one you put in, from my understanding. You just kind of get it right in there. Alright, so you shouldn't have like much slop at all in there. So this takes up all the spacing in here and keeps everything nice and tight, as it should. Alright, so this is unlocked. See how that doesn't spin? And then this is what happens when you engage it. It actually spins with it. And then do that and it pops back. That's what it's supposed to work. My old ones were really worn out. You gotta line this up here. So see, there's a little dowel pin right here. So there's a hole right in there, and you wanna get that lined up. And make sure this is in a, there we go. So just get lined up, it'll kind of sit in there for a second. Just kind of hold it with something. And we'll grab the bolts in here. Just kind of store it. Then grab another bolt. When you tighten them, you don't want them super tight, so just get a little. Alright, I got some resistance and a little more. Alright, so now we see if it works. So let's lock it. Oops, let's turn it this way. So spinning, like it's supposed to, and then free is this way, and like a glove. That's how it's supposed to work right there. So quality of the part, I would rate very well. Only time will tell though. So these actually are probably I don't know, 10 years old or something. So they worked well for a very long time, but it's just time for retirement for them. So I'm just gonna throw them away. But it does work, so that's the main thing.